What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's your boy Triple C's. Do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, click that bell, and turn on the notifications. Look, guys, with the stock market and the crypto market looking like it's on the bounce back, okay? And coupled with the jobs numbers coming out last week that showed that the economy was still strong for the time being, the market really reacted in a positive way. Okay, so these are the stocks that I'm going to be keeping my eyes on for next week in case we see the market and everything continue to rise. Okay, but we're going to be paying attention to the levels, get in at the right price and get out at the right price. Okay, so these are the stocks that I will be looking at. First up on the list, guys, is Alphabet, aka Google. Okay, we saw their earnings just come out, guys, and they are absolutely making money hand over fist. Okay, so they're killing it. They beat all their estimates in their earnings report. All right, we know they have the antitrust lawsuit and everything going on, guys, but it's not the first time that Google has had to deal with something like this, and they came out on top. But it will get worked out eventually. Okay, so you cannot let those kinds of things scare you out of your position with these great companies. Okay, so we're going to be looking for Google to bounce back next week. All right, if everything stays on the up and up. Okay, so let's take a look at the charts real quick. All right, now, so we are looking at the 6-month chart. Okay, and we see that the current price of Alphabet is at 165.81. All right, now it's important to pay attention to the charts, guys, because the charts let you know where the stock is likely to go to next. All right, if you're expecting the stock to go up, then you want to pay attention to the previous peak, okay, or resistance level. So we are expecting it to go to the 172.79 next week. All right, so we're going to keep our eye on that. Now, if for some reason some bad news comes out, some crazy news comes out, then we will be looking for it to fall back to the previous support level, okay, which is down here at 149.86. Okay, although it might not just drop immediately down to the 149, it could stop at 157, 153 along the way. For my guys that are looking to make some money on the stock options and day traders on some quick trades, then you want to know some exit levels and support levels. All right, gang, so this next stock I want you guys to keep your eyes on is a crypto mining stock. Okay, since we're seeing Bitcoin and everything continue to run up, and as long as it continues to do that, we can see this stock run up. All right, so it's ticker symbol MARA, Mara Holdings. All right, now, like I said, it's a quick trade, so we're looking to get in and out. Okay, because it is volatile, and a lot of the earnings are tied to the price of Bitcoin as well as how much Bitcoin they can actually mine as compared to their overhead. Okay, so we are looking for this to go to the 16. Okay, that is as long as Bitcoin continues to run up. Okay, so we're going to keep our eyes on this one, and they do have earnings coming out on Thursday. Okay, so they are going to be reporting their first quarter earnings, which Bitcoin for the first quarter was down around 22%. So the earnings report could be a negative. Okay, but leading up to that, I believe we can see it run up to the 16. Okay, and then on Thursday, when the earnings report comes out, if it's a bad report, we can look to make some money on the way down as well with a put option. Okay, so we're gonna keep our eyes on Mara. All right, now, gang, if you want to see the rest of the plays that we're going to be looking at this week, then go over to crazycryptocliff.com and become a member, and you can see all the plays that we're going to be running this week, as well as you can watch the training videos, guys, and learn how we are trading these stock options. Okay, I'll have the QR code on the screen for you guys, but that is it for this video, gang, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Remember to stay disciplined, and let's get this money.